Okay, ¿cómo estás? Listen. So first we have ¿cómo estás? What does ¿cómo estás mean? How are you? Now, we learned yesterday there's two ways to say you in Spanish. What are they? Tú and usted. Right? So this one goes with tú. If you need to write that in parentheses on your sheet, please do so. You have ¿cómo estás at the top. Now, on this vocab sheet, what I want you to do is underneath ¿cómo estás, on the first line at the top, I want you to rewrite it, ¿cómo estás, in your own handwriting. Complete with the upside down question mark and everything. So you're basically just copying it down. On the line underneath that, you're going to write the meaning in English. What does it mean in English? ¿Cómo estás?
How are you?
How are you? Muy bien. Now, is that formal or informal? Informal. So you're going to use it when you're talking with whom? Friends. Family. Somebody you know really well, right? Everybody good so far? Okay, so we have options on our paper as well of some responses. So what's the first one? Estoy muy bien. So you're going to rewrite that on your paper underneath Estoy muy bien. You're going to write it again in Español, in Spanish. And underneath it, you're going to write it in English. Now, what does estoy mean? I am muy, very bien. Good. Or if you're going to speak proper English, it would be well. I'm very well. Has anybody ever been in a debate about good or well? No? Question?
I am very good.
It's not. It's a response. We're skipping ¿qué tal and cómo está usted? We're going down in the middle of the paper. So we have estoy muy bien, which means what?
I'm very good.
I'm very well. I'm feeling very well. Okay, this one is estoy bien. What is estoy bien? I'm well. Many of you are probably writing good, and that's okay too. All right, the next one. Estoy regular.
I'm regular.
I'm okay. Please don't tell me if you're regular. That's TMI. You got it. You got it. I'm not explaining it. All right. So I'm fine or I'm okay. Estoy mal. I'm bad. Like bad to the bone. I'm feeling bad. Now you can just write I'm bad, but just know that it's not like I get in trouble a lot bad. I'm feeling bad. Current state of emotion. All right, and then this one is estoy muy mal. I'm very bad. Easy enough? Now there's one on your name tag that we don't have a slot for on your vocab. If you want to write it down on your vocab sheet, that's more than fine. What is it? Estoy cansada or estoy cansado, which means I'm tired. Some of you like that one, so if you want to put that on there, put it on there. Are we good so far?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to go back up to the top right-hand corner. It says, ¿qué tal? Does anybody know what this means? You want to take a guess? What's up?
What's up? I like that.
What's up? Kind of like more slang-ish. How's it going? What's up? ¿Qué tal? Now, your responses are the same unless you want to say nothing. What is nothing in Espanol? Nada. N-A-D-A. If you want to write that on your paper, you can.
Nada.
Okay? So let's review these options for responses. What's this one? Estoy muy bien. Estoy bien. Estoy regular. Estoy mal. Estoy muy mal. Okay. Then we have ¿Cómo está usted? What is ¿Cómo está usted?
How are you, sir?
How are you? Yes, that is formal. Okay, so write that down. You're using that one with whom? An adult or stranger. Somebody you want to show respect to. So I'm going to give you some scenarios. You tell me which one would you use. You're talking to your brother or sister. ¿Cómo estás o qué tal? What if you're talking to the President of the United States? ¿Cómo está usted? What about your parent? Yeah, it depends on what your parent wants you to say. I would say ¿Cómo está usted? But not all parents are the same. You know, some of them don't want to be spoken to that way. So what about like your best friend?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás o qué tal? What about a stranger in the store? ¿Cómo está usted? Now make for sure that you're not saying ¿Cómo estás usted? Notice there's no S at the end of that. Remember, we changed the subject. We must also change the verb to match it. So they're not the same. Okay, we have ¿Cómo estás and ¿Cómo está usted? Let's review the responses. Estoy muy bien. Estoy bien. Estoy regular. Estoy mal.
Estoy muy mal.
Estoy muy mal. Okay, muy bien. Any questions? No. Now, what I want you to do is with your partner, you have several different ways to ask how are you and several different ways to respond. I want you to do 3 different responses and 3 different questions each. Go.